Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Do you ever feel like everyone around you is speaking a secret language? You're in a conversation and suddenly someone says, "That's such a flame, no cap." And you're just standing there thinking, wait, what does that even mean? Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's lesson, I'm going to decode the hottest English slang of 2025. So you can stay confident, join in, and sound natural. These are expressions you will see all over TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and here in everyday conversations. Let's start with two slang words that have been around for a while but are still super popular: slay and cab. First up, slay. Originally, slay meant to kill or to destroy. But in slang, it's a huge compliment. It means to do something extremely well or to look amazing while doing it. Here's an example. She slayed that dance performance. Next, cap. If someone says that's cap, they mean that's a lie or that's not true. And if they say no cap, they're saying I'm serious or I'm being honest. This one started in hip-hop culture and spread worldwide thanks to platforms like Twitter and TikTok. Now, let's open the Gen Z dictionary of 2025 and talk about these slang words you hear a lot. The first one is Rizz. This is short for charisma. It means charm or the ability to attract people easily. If someone has Rizz, it means they know how to talk smoothly and make a great impression. Here's an example. Wow, he's got serious Rizz. Everyone likes him. Next, drip. Drip is all about fashion and style. If someone has drip, it means their outfit or overall style looks amazing. Here's an example. Check out her shoes. That's some serious drip. Next we have flame. This is a way to say something is really cool, exciting, or excellent. Here's an example. That new song is absolute flame. Another one you will hear is fan behavior. This is when someone acts overly excited, like a super fan. Here's an example. You liked every single one of his posts. That's fan behavior. Then we have delulu, which is short for delusional. If someone is delulu, it means they are believing something unrealistic. Here's an example. She thinks she's going to win the game without even practicing. She's so delulu. Next up, better move. This means a weak or submissive decision. Here's an example. Skipping practice, better move. Another popular term is situationship. This describes a romantic relationship that's not really defined. It's not official dating, but it's more than just friends. Here's an example. They're not a couple. It's more of a situationship. And here is a fun one. Slaps. If someone says this song slaps, they mean the song is really, really good and makes them want to dance. Finally, glow up. This one has been around for a while, but is still very popular in 2025. A glow up is a big positive transformation in appearance, style, or confidence. Here's an example. Wow, you've had such a glow up since high school. So there you have it. The hottest English slang of 2025. Use these phrases to sound natural, modern, and confident. But remember, slang changes fast, so pay attention to how native speakers use these words in context. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write 2 sentences using any of these slang words. I'll check them for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, clear, and real English. See you next time.